Devo the ambivert, the BS is cut like ham and jerky. I'm about to react to China Mac, right one official music video. I'm about to get into it. We ain't gonna waste too much time. My camera gonna die pretty soon. Let's get into it, man. Let's see what my man China Mac from New York is coming with, man. Shout out to him for standing against the anti-Asian racism and hate and everything. Yeah, salute. You know what I'm saying? And salute to him for standing against racism, period. You know what I'm saying? Racism, period. You know what I'm saying? Devilishment, immorality. Salute to him for standing against that, against bullcrap, bro. We finna get into it. Let's see, man. China Mac be doing his thing, man, for sure. On the mic, he can rap, bro. My man in the handcuffs, my China Mac, to those of y'all who don't know, man, China Mac was locked up. He was in prison, if I'm not mistaken, for 10 years. If my memory is right, 10 years he was locked up. I forgot from what year to what year was he locked up? To those who remember, man, let me know from what year to what year. In what year did he get out? He got out in what, like? He got out a few years ago, if my memory is right. He got out a few years ago. He served 10 years in prison. Yeah, man, he turned his life around. He got, you know what I mean? He was focused on the music and the rapping and different things. The Mac Eats and everything on YouTube, like, yeah, just doing different stuff, doing positive stuff. You feel me? Salute. We're gonna let a lot of it play, you feel me?
Say you fucking with the right one. When the night comes, I got the right gun for you. Say you fucking with the right one. When the night comes, I got the right one for you. I don't trust a single soul in these streets. Yeah, it's cold in these streets. My heart cold. I don't trust a single soul in these streets. Yeah, it's cold in these streets. My heart cold. Yo, I'm off early. I'm getting straight to the paper. That hustle is in my nature. I'm balling just like a Laker. Crazy like the 80s. Seen a body back in 85. Low like a lazy eye. About that Mercedes ride. Big gun, fuck a
I like his rhyming, his flow, his delivery. I like the quadruple syllable rhyming in the hook. Cold in these streets, soul in these streets. I like the melodicness too in the hook.
I'm up early, I'm getting straight to the paper. That hustle is in my nature. I'm balling just like a Laker. Crazy like the 80s. Seen a body back in 85. Low like a lazy eye. About that Mercedes.
Low like a lazy eye, come on, man. Like, bro.
Baby, that hustle is in my nature. I'm balling just like a Laker.
Los Angeles Lakers. Death in 85.
Low like a lazy eye. About that Mercedes ride. Big gun, fuck a 2-2, they truthful. Penetrate the best, you get a flathead if your screws loose. Try to run, but your legs turn to noodles. Swing around your way with the K, bullets through you. Got automatics, I tell them fuck with a savage. Like CBJ with the ratchets, get the shooting it like Stephen Clay. They want the static, look, ain't no bury the hatchet. I put her right in the casket and do that shit right on Mother's Day.
Hey guys, make sure you purchase.
Hold on. The rhyming though, hold on.
But your legs turn to noodles. Swing around your way with the K, bullets through.
Double syllable rhyme, internal double syllable rhyme. Stephen Clay from the Warriors.
Hey guys, make sure you purchase
Yeah,
China
she
Mac's
beautiful.
new album.
Oh, she
Click the
twerking.
link in the description
Oh,
below.
snap, son. Who is that? Yo, let me know who that is. Yo, she thick. Hey, in a word, like Shaq used to say, like my guy know, like Shaq used to say before he got engaged, bro. Yeah, bro. Hey, we like those. Oh God, yo, on the real, bro, on the real. Hey, let me know what her IG is or something, bro. Let me know. She twerking in the cell. That's tough. That's
Hey guys, make
yeah.
sure you purchase China Mac's
I
new
like her
album.
smile. I like
Click the link in
she
the
beautiful.
description
Bro.
below.
Say you fucking with the right one. When the night comes, I got the right gun for you. Say you fucking with the right one. When the night comes, I got the right one for you. I don't trust a single soul in these streets. Yeah, it's cold in these streets. My heart cold. I don't trust a single soul.
Was she in that other video? Was she in They Can't Burn Us All? Was she in that video? Let me know. I think she was, if I'm not mistaken. They want that static, they want that smoke, they want conflict.
Hey guys, make sure you purchase China Mac's new album. Click the link in the description below.
She moving that thing, bro. She got
fucking with the right one. When the night comes, I got the right cup for you. Say you fucking with the right one. When the night comes, I got the right one for you. I don't trust a single soul in these streets. Yeah, it's cold in these streets. Make my heart cold, heart cold. I don't trust a single soul in these streets. Yeah, it's cold in these streets. Make my heart cold, heart cold. Yo, green light, yeah, I'm always on go. Hardcore, why you think I got the 40 below? Sheet up to my coffin is closed. Of course, get the salt off of the stove. I'll get you off, you ain't talking in code. Let them know that you fucking with the right one. Hollow tips is high, like a shot, like some white gun. Look, I'm on it, have a morning for the night come. Kind of your lights up, I hear the lights come. Kings in the cell, yeah, I know what that feel like. What these rappers saying they song, that's my real life. What the deal like? We all the real.
He said they be faking.
I'm in the field trying to see what a couple mil like. Can't trust the soul. When you get that mother low, I can't make that money fall. Look at how that money blow. Tripping like a runny nose. Them diamonds, yeah, you running nose. Got them on they tippy toes. Catch them, I'ma let it go.
blah, blah. Yeah, this lit, bro. This.
When the night come, I got the right cup for you. Say you fucking with the right one. When the night comes,
Yeah.
I got the right one for you. I don't trust a single soul in these streets. Yeah, it's cold in these streets. Make my heart cold, heart cold. I don't trust a single soul in these streets. Yeah, it's cold in these streets. Make my heart cold, heart cold.
Say MA on the back. Yeah, this joint, yeah. Yeah, bro. I like this, bro. If y'all like this joint, comment, share, subscribe, show them love, tell them leave it at Amberverse City, man. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah, that was, I did not expect that to happen. Like her twerking in that cell, bro. Yeah, that was different, bro. But yeah, she's pretty, bro. She thick. Yeah, but China did his thing, bro. I feel like the wordplay could have been stronger, could have been harder, but like, he certain wordplay bars I rock with harder, you feel me? Like for sure. Like, yeah, bro. Green light, go, like, bro, the street bars, you know what I'm saying? When you see the green light, when the drivers see the green light, they can go, they can drive, you feel me? Like, bro, green light, you know what I mean? I'm always on go, like I'm ready for, you know what I'm saying? I'm always ready. That's what he said. That's slang, you know what I'm saying? I'm always on go, I'm always ready. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Bro, like if people, you know what I mean? As far as, bro, yeah, China Met, yeah, he did his thing on this. I ain't even gonna lie. I'm about to get up out of here, man. I appreciate and love y'all. One love to the family of DTA, Elevation 14, no GTA, man. I'm gone.